do actually. Okay, good. Yeah, if you didn't notice anything like that, you're good to go. We should be.
Holy moly.
Oh, wow.
Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat. So Ron has put a board across the center floor with our the deck plates removed to use as a workbench, and he is working on our starter motor.
Yep.
Our starter motor for the main engine. So you're hooking your positive to our starter battery?
Starter battery for the generator.
Look at those jaws. They look dangerous. Why'd you have to do that?
Huh?
Why'd you have to do that?
Probably didn't have to, but keeping that battery charged. I don't want to drain it.
Okay. So you started the generator.
Started the generator just to.
I'm staying back because you might put some sparks out. Like that. Is the brush turning? It's kicking.
That's better than doing it yesterday.
How do we keep it on there? Can I push on that?
Yeah, you can, if you're gutsy enough. There's no electricity will come through there.
Alright. It's bouncing.
Yeah. I won't be touching it while I'm touching this guy. Okay. I think we have a
It's just bouncing, it's not staying.
not spinning. Alright, and that gives us information. So, next question.
So it's not the solenoid.
What does it mean? Right, it's not solenoid. What does it mean when it'll send the Bendix out, but it won't keep spinning?
It means you need to rebuild it.
Well, I don't know. That's the question. But this engine just leaks oil everywhere. Of course, that was because our rear main seal had gone bad.
Right.
But this one didn't have all that oil in it because we replaced the rear main seal. But as you see, it's got oil all over it. So obviously oil in it. Saw that come out.
Right.
It has some amount in there.
Is it supposed to have oil in it?
And that's why I don't know if maybe that's what made it go bad. It's just over time getting all that oil in it does something. I don't know.
I'm used to helical Bendixes that just go out under on their own, under centripetal force.
Yeah, this has a rod that pushes it out. We can actually.
I was just looking at that.
Yeah, we can see the rod. If I pull on the Bendix and pull the Bendix out, we can look through a crack and see the rod moving. nasty. So we got 2 screws here.
More screws.
No, they're just posts that bolts onto. Okay. Alright, I got the solenoid off.
Okay. Now your nose cone, your bendix, and the commutator shaft with a commutator on it should all slide out of that center body.
Not yet. Oops.
But I don't know, I'm looking at the diagram here, exactly what you're showing me, and I'm not understanding how that would be holding it from coming off. I could be wrong. We are troubleshooting over a phone here.
Yeah. I got it off.
I should have been in work clothes.
Oh yes. I didn't even realize. Why don't you go get in work clothes?
There he goes. He's out.
Okay.
Something on it.
It turned.
Oh, it just did something.
It's free turning now.
Okay, so I was right. Yay! Good.
Yeah.
I'm usually pretty good at this.
That's why we're on the phone with you.
Okay, it also had a rubber collar on it.
That's in.
This thing has some kind of minimal water and corrosion resistance.
Yeah.
Not good
I
enough.
wouldn't.
Yeah, the rubber collar's got a break in it.
Well, that's how they put it on. Alright, I can turn it by. I got it
Oh,
off.
okay. So this end's loose now too. The other end's loose as well.
The other end got loose?
Yep, the other end's loose.
Now we have access to brushes.
If you didn't notice anything like that, you're good to go. We should be.
Holy
able to at least get
moly.
this thing-
Oh wow.
One of the brushes looks like it's disintegrated.
Okay, there's your problem.
Ooh, boy.
Okay, well, we have a serious problem then because I'm not sure if we can cut or locate a suitable replacement for this. It doesn't have to be a Ford Lehman 135 brush. You've got little stuff on board, like a Dremel tool or something like that. We can make other brushes work, especially for the short period of time that it needed it. But you've got to find some kind of brush that you can cut down before then. And I keep saying brush, that's the name of them, but it's a block of carbon is what it is.
Right. Well, this carbon has been carbonized.
They do fracture and break and crack and just turn to dust.
Got it. Alright, send that to him. So it was jamming up the armature and not letting it spin.
That's kind of what I'm thinking.
On this next one that's coming through, if you zoom in, you'll be able to see
What my
There's
screwdriver's pointing
what
to.
the screwdriver's pointing to, and it looks kind of goldish, and then there's a lot of debris on top of it. It's yellow with the black, the crud, the metal or whatever pieces.
Wait, what is that yellow piece the screwdriver's pointing to?
We don't know.
We don't know, but it looks like it's jammed in there like it's not supposed to be there.
No, and that's going to be short-circuiting several of the armature wires as well.
I don't know.
Well, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but I don't think we're going to be rebuilding this thing.
Yeah, that's kind of my suspicion. So, we need to replace the starter motor. Thanks for watching.